Hello all. So announcement from our side. The next day after prelims 2021, we are coming up with anthropology full batch, full mentorship batch. The date is June 28th, 2021. And the course is going to be for another 120 days. And this time we are going to provide you both ways. Online as usual plus offline. So what are the features of the course? I will be explaining now. And earlier batches we have only 10 commandments, but this time, as my previous students know that for every batch I will be coming up with the new commandments. So this time we are coming up with 12 commandments. For our earlier commandments means 12 promises. We are trying 99.9% to reach our targets, and we reached for our June batch, we reached for our October batch, we reached for all our batches. We are keeping our utmost efforts for our commandments. So, what is the course features I am going to unveil now. The batch is going to start from June 28th, Monday 2021. From foundation to advanced, anthropology from foundation to advanced, the total content is going to catch the pulse of 2020 mains question paper. Why? Because 2020 mains question paper, in paper 1, little bit tricky questions were being asked. So in order to catch the path of Union Public Service Commission, we started our course for anthropology from foundation to advanced. Very new beginners can also understand the topic. So beginning with foundation, beginning with basics, and we are going into advanced of UPSC standard. In that way, we are planning this. That is the reason before 2 months of the beginning of the course, we are launching the course details. Why? Because this 2 months we are going to work on the content for anthropology. Totally new content, new information, new content will be provided in this particular batch. Altogether the new content will be provided, and value addition for each and every topic. The classroom, after the classroom education, you will be provided with value added content as well, so that extra information also you should read, and that extra information also will be provided from our end. Two highly rated books, very successful books, that is paper 1 and paper 2. We are going to provide in the hard copy printed material on the very first day of enrollment. As soon as you get enrolled, your books will be posted and the acknowledgement number will be provided to you. Why? Because we will be posting through Speed Post of India in order to give recruitment, or in order to give some provisions for government, India Post. So within the same day you will be provided with the acknowledgement number, the books which are got shipped. 1 year subscription, yes. This is going to be 1 year subscription. For example, if you are going to enroll on June 28th, 2021, for next June 28th, 2022, you will be provided with 1 year recorded videos of the same session. Any new batch come in between, like again we will be having batches in the future. Those batches also live classes accessibility will be provided. So it is 1 year subscription. 9 to 9 model. We are coming up with 9 to 9 model, which means that I am your anthropology teacher. I am the person who completed my MA in anthropology. I am pursuing my PhD in anthropology. I attended UPSC interview for 3 times 1 decade back. 2011, 13 and 14. 8 years back. And from that time onwards, I am into the mentorship. So I am going to provide you 9 to 9 model, which means that from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. anytime you can call me regarding your doubts. If I don't lift the call, it means that you will get a call from me immediately when I become free. So any doubts will be clarified to my students, which is 9 to 9 model. 9 to 9, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. anytime you can call me. Every class 2 hours we will be having. Every class 2 hours we will be having. 1 hour 30 minutes is the class. 1 hour 30 minutes is the class, and remaining 30 minutes. And the remaining 30 minutes will be for doubts clearing session, exclusive. So 1.5 hour 30 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes will be from my side, and another 30 minutes will be very interactive, very doubt clearing session. So within the 2 hours, the subject will be completed, the day's subject will be completed, the day's topic will be completed with your doubts. So 1 hour 30 minutes is the class, next 30 minutes is your doubts. 30 minutes doubt clearing daily. Daily 30 minutes doubt clearing is our features. This is our program, but I didn't explain about my commandments. The 12 commandments I didn't explain. I am coming up with 12 commandments. The 12 commandments. First one, live classes every day. Live classes every day for online student, offline students. Number 2, each and every topic in the syllabus will be covered, not a single topic will be left. Each and every topic will be discussed, not a single topic will be left from Anthropology Union Public Service Commission syllabus book. And the duration is 120 days. 4 months, 120 days we will be having the class. Every Sunday you will be having the holiday. So 2 hours of class every day you will be having. Value addition notes. Value addition notes will be provided. Value addition notes will be provided for each and every topic. Value addition notes will be provided for each and every topic. And printed exclusively highly rated best anthropology books will be provided and posted to you to your address. So 2 highly rated textbooks of our will be posted to you on the day of your joining. That is another commandment. 5th commandment, total 12 tests will be conducted every week. Every week we are going to conduct the test. Insights will be given on how to write the best answers. The question paper of the 12 tests also will be discussed, and how to write the best answer will also be provided with the model answers. Overall, by the end of the course, apart from the textbooks, apart from the classroom PDF, soft material and classroom dictation notes, you will also be getting approximately 400 model answers will be provided. Answers will be provided by the end of the session. Total 120 days timetable. Total 120 days timetable will be given on the day 1. On the first day itself, you will be provided with 120 days timetable on which day, which topic we are going to discuss, so that there will be certainty, so that there will be clarity regarding the classes completion. And the test schedule also will be in that particular schedule. The classes schedule also will be in this 120 days schedule. That is our 7th commandment. And coming to the 8th commandment, interactive workbook will be provided from our side. It will be in the soft copy, you have to take the print out. Interactive workbook will be provided. This interactive workbook will be helping you to make notes as well as to do writing practice. This is very much successful. This is model we adopted from foreign country, which will be very much useful for making the notes as well as for writing the answers. How it will be means topic, space, and the previous year question on the same topic, an expected question for 2021 and 2022 will be there, so that you have to fill the gaps. So your notes writing will be completed, previous year question answer writing will be completed, and expected question answer writing also will be completed. That is the importance of workbook. Online and offline both are available. Yes, offline we are going to come anthropology independently, online as well as offline. Offline class will be in Hyderabad, Ashok Nagar area, and online will be as usual. Recorded videos will be provided to online students for 1 year. All the recorded videos will be provided for 1 year. You will be having the recorded videos on your dashboard for 1 year. 10 commandments. And another 2 commandments are, this was not there earlier, but this time we made this. Offline students can also be provided with online accessibility, but with prior permission from the management. Yes, offline students also can get online accessibility, but with prior permission of the management, you can get the accessibility. 12th commandment. Every week, yes, this is very important thing which we came. Every week, 1 live doubt clearing session for all my students. For all my students, present and past. Every week, 1 session I am going to take, which will be exclusive apart from the schedule. Apart from the schedule, which is outside, independently, a doubt clearing session will be taken, whereby my past students, they might be from mentorship batch, they might be from test series batch, they might be anyway, if they are connected to me and my institute, then you will be provided with the live doubt clearing session. So at that live doubt clearing session, you can come and you can ask your doubts. This is the 12th amendment. So in this way, I want to tell you that our batch, the complete mentorship batch of 4 months is going to start from June 28th. Enrollments are started. We did not increase any fees for online students. What was the fees for the last batch? The same fees is there because of considering the corona. The fees has been not increased. So enroll today and reserve your seats. Thank you and subscribe to our channel. All the best.